The Wind and the Sun. Japan poet. Once the wind and the sun had an argument. "I am stronger than you," said the wind. "No, you're not," said the sun. Just at that moment, they saw a girl walking across the road. She was wrapped in a scarf. The sun and the wind agreed that whoever could separate the girl from her scarf was stronger. The wind took the first turn. He blew with all his might to tear the girl's scarf from her shoulders. But the harder he blew, the tighter the girl gripped the scarf. The struggle went on till the wind's turn was over. Now it was the sun's turn. The sun smiled warmly. The girl felt the warmth of the smiling sun. Soon she let the scarf fall open. The sun's smile grew warmer and warmer, then hotter and hotter. Now the girl no longer needed her scarf. She took it off and dropped it on the ground. The sun was declared stronger than the wind. Moral of the story is, the gentle way is better than the rough one.